Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the King EA for MetaTrader 5. Before we dive in, you can download a free Forex support for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so the King EA MT5. This hedging and crystal EA sold for 99 US dollars has been around for a while and is popular among traders who like recovery based systems. So let's go through the claims, how it actually works, and what my backtest revealed. Alright, so let's just expand this. So according to the MKO5 page, the King EA uses a hedging approach combined with grid elements to manage trades. It opens positions in both directions or layers additional orders when price moves against the initial trade, aiming to average out and recover. This is a classic recovery strategy that tries to turn losing trades into winners by adding to positions at strategic levels. Right? EA includes parameters for grid spacing, lot multipliers, max levels, and overall exposure limits. Risk management is key here. Things like max drawdown protection, basket take profits, and individual stop losses. It's designed for pairs that range or have mean reversion behavior, where the hedging can help balance exposure. The developer emphasizes controlled risk compared to pure martingale, with features to limit total open lots or closed baskets at certain profit levels. It's been updated over time, and users often discuss its performance on major pairs or during specific market conditions. Alright, so let's take a look at the screenshots. As you can see, it's noted that you should use on a demo and cent account first. Then when you know how the EA works and finding the drawdown you can accept, then you can use it on a live account. Alright, so we have it here. Alright, let's take a look at the screenshot here. So you can see for the period, you can see the developers backtest results, how we have this equity curve that moves almost in a 45-degree line to the upside. You can see periods of notable spikes during the move. But how does this actually hold up with personal backtesting? We're going to take a look at my own personal backtest to see how it actually holds up and if what the developer claims about the EA actually holds true. All right, so let's go straight to MT5 accounts. All right, so I had the opportunity of testing the EA on Euro USD on the M5 time frame for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026, for an initial deposit of $10,000, and I got the following results. Okay, so for the 10K accounts, looking at the equity curve, it was mostly sideways, with some small ups and downs early on, as you can see. Then entered a longer decline with minor recoveries before ending lower overall. Deposit load shows frequent activity, typical for hedging/grid systems that keep multiple positions open. As for the stats, right, so we had a small net loss of about $187. We have a profit factor on that one at 0.89. Drawdowns were very tight, with the max equity drawdown around 3.5%. Right, and the balance drawdown, we have that 3.44%. All right, this shows strong risk control in terms of not blowing up, but the system struggled to generate net positive results in this test period. The total trades taken in the period were 1,510 trades. Alright, so compared to developer claims of controlled hedging and recovery, the tight drawdowns match the lower risk narrative, but the overall performance highlights how these systems can grind in ranging markets or when the recovery logic doesn't fully kick in favorably. The thing is, hedging and greed EAs live or die by market conditions. They can look safe with small drawdowns until a strong trend causes prolonged exposure. Honestly, the features that matter most are your grid spacing, lots multipliers, mass basket limits, and overall risk caps. The hedging recovery is the core mechanic, but you have to be very disciplined with parameters. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, hedging strategies can lead to large floating drawdowns during strong trends, even if balanced drawdown looks small. Broker rules on hedging vary, and swaps can eat into positions held long term. In live trading, slippage and spreads hurt more on multiple orders. Many pro firms ban hedging. Forfeiting is common in these systems. In practice, this means you need sufficient capital, low spreads, and the ability to watch open exposure closely. Alright, so who's it for? This is for experienced traders who fully understand hedging mechanics, have accounts that allow it, and can handle the psychological pressure of open drawdowns while waiting for recovery. It's good if you like range bound or mean reversion markets and have tested extensively. Avoid if you're a beginner, risk averse, trading on prop firm rules that prohibit hedging, or looking for smooth equity growth without floating losses. Overall, the King EA offers a structured hedging slash grid approach with decent risk controls. My test showed tight drawdowns but negative results, reminding us that these systems require the right market conditions and careful parameter tuning. Always demo test thoroughly with your broker. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.